everyone, I'm Brady Anderson.
And I'm Jackson Costa.
And we're the team behind LiftOff.
From blockchain to AI to cryptocurrency to drones, technology is changing the world around us. And the driving force behind technology is confidence. The ability to try new things, to move forward without knowledge of what lies ahead, is an incredibly useful tool. Kids are great at this. They're so confident and ready to explore. But somewhere along the line, as they grow, they lose that confidence. I remember when I was in the 4th grade, I was placed in the lowest math class possible. And it killed my confidence because I thought confidence came from knowledge. But that's not true. Confidence comes through curiosity. And that's the goal at LiftOff, to establish confidence through curiosity, not knowledge. They don't have to know yet. Our job is to inspire them through workshops, to get them the knowledge that they need and give them the curiosity that they need to be a driving force in the world and their community.
So this brings us on to what exactly is our product. Essentially what we're doing is we're allowing kids to actually fly drones and get that experiential learning. We're calling this productive fun because one, they're developing these great skills with technology, they're exploring the technology, but also they're having a whole lot of fun.
And this fun truly isn't without its benefits. These kids are going to be working through problems together, learning how to use teamwork to go through challenges and succeed, not as individuals, but as a group.
So this brings us on to the third aspect of our product, which is this whole concept of challenge and community. And what we mean by this is these are the challenges that the kids are going to be facing. And the community aspect is working together, having that time to, one, share the fun memories and photos, and really reflect on what you did. So diving into kind of what some of the challenges are, we're going to have theme months focused on search and rescue, photography, and even drone racing. And these are some of the many applications of drone technology that we really feel is a really crucial part of our program with exposing these kids to the applications of this amazing technology. Finally, we were able to run our program with Hinkle Creek Elementary School and create a proof of concept that we were able to share with our newest partners, Fishers of YMCA and the Parks Department of Noblesville. We see that there is a need and a desire for this in the market, and we cannot wait to see you guys in round 2 of Innovate Within.